wondering what do I do when I have so many choices to make. Choices in the sense what alternative that I have to do being a mid-career professional. So the choices that you will make will open up a possibility, a separate kind of possibility depending on the choices that you make. Make a choice for personal development and it will open up you being in a very, very different and upgraded role to take up more productive decisions. Let us hear out uh, Mr. Simon Sinek, one of my favorite management guru, what he has to say about making choices. In another sequence, he says that when the in a shoe shop, when you go, the salesperson will show you a pair of shoes and you don't like, you ask for another pair of shoes, that is okay. And then he will ask you which pair you choose. And if you see that no, can you show me some more choices, then he knows that you are not likely to buy any of them. But when you have two choices, very likely that you will buy. So, are you making a choice towards an outcome, an impact, or you are just getting put up with your everyday life as it is? No change, no possibility, no success, routine, no fulfillment. If you can see the point, do please register for my webinar which talks about your unbeatable USP and varieties of ways. Every week I take up one subject around your unbeatable USP. See you there.